Welcome back to this two-part editing series. On part 1, we made a zoom and shake effect, and in this part, to complete the whole effect, we're gonna be making the one-frame glitch. So, let's start. With our zoom and shake effect already made, go to Layer, New, then Create Solid. I'll rename this as Fractal Noise. Then hit OK. Go to Effects and Preset panel, type Fractal Noise, then apply it to our solid layer. Go to Noise Type, change it to Block, change the contrast into about 500. Go to Transform, uncheck the Uniform Scaling. For the scale width, make it 600. Scale height, make it 60. Press and hold Alt key on the keyboard, and click on the evolution. Then type time, * 2000. This will create this glitch-looking animation. Select the fractal noise layer, put it below the first clip. Go to Layer New, then Adjustment Layer. I'll rename it into Glitch. Go to Effects and Preset panel and type Displacement Map. Apply it into our glitch layer. Change the displacement map layer into fractal noise. Put the glitch layer above the second null object. Then change the source into effects and masks. As you can see, our model becomes a little bit glitchy. I'll change the glitch layer into yellow, for easy identification. Change the max horizontal and vertical displacement value into 0. Create a keyframe for both. Press U on the keyboard. To reveal the keyframes, move one frame forward, and change the max horizontal displacement value into 39, max vertical displacement into 5. Move one frame forward, increase the max horizontal into 247, then put a max vertical keyframe below. Another one frame forward, max horizontal, make it -37, then change the value of max vertical into 0. One keyframe forward, then put 0 value for both. Go to Effects and Preset panel, type VR Chromatic Aberrations, apply it to Glitch Layer. Change the value of red, blue aberration, and fall-off distance into 0. Create a keyframe for red, green and blue aberration, make the fall-off distance into around 50. Press U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Move one frame forward, change red value into 31. Green, -4. Blue, 32. Fall-off distance, 10. Then check fall-off invert. Move one frame forward, change red into -10. Green into 0. Blue into 10. Another one frame forward, red, 52. Green, -2. Blue, -40. One frame forward, then make the red, green, blue value 0. Go to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. On the Effects and Preset panel, type Find Edges, and apply it to the adjustment layer by double-clicking. Then type Invert and apply it to the adjustment layer. Change the invert channel into luminance. Then also a tint. By using the tint, you have the option to customize the black and white color. But for me, I'll use black and white. We can also add glow into the adjustment layer. Change the glow radius into 300. Glow intensity into 3. I'll cut the adjustment layer into about 1 frame. And put it into the spot where I want the glitch to take effect. You can duplicate the adjustment layer to add more glitches. Customize the glitch by changing their locations and colors. Next, go to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. I'll rename it into Flicker. Then I will also rename the other 2 adjustment layers we have created earlier as Glow. Bring the flicker layer to the top, go to Effects and Preset Panel and type Exposure. Apply it to the flicker layer. Cut the flicker layer. And put it on the spot where you want the flicker to start. I'll put it in this area. Change the exposure value into -5. Duplicate the flicker layer. Move it 2 frames forward. Change exposure value into -4. Duplicate again. Move it 2 frames forward. Change the value into -1. Duplicate. Move it 2 frames forward. Change the exposure value. Then repeat the process until there is already enough flicker. There you have it, our 1 frame glitch effect. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe if you like this video or thumbs up. See you on the next video.